Okay, welcome back, guys. So, again, Crypto Mid here. I want to talk to you guys now about, I guess, Bitcoin as an investment. So, like I said, if you checked out my previous video, I talked about how near the beginning of this year, maybe quarter one of this year, March April time frame, Bitcoin was around $1,600 a coin. Now, currently, it's what, October 7th, 2017, and Bitcoin is now roughly $4,300 a coin. Earlier this year, it hit about 5K. So if you would have been buying in Bitcoin and holding it as an investment, you would have got a great return on your investment, and that's what you want. You want to be making money with your money. So again, even if you're buying $100 worth of Bitcoin, if you would have just bought $100 worth of Bitcoin, then that $100 that you bought would now be like what, $300 or 400, whatever that number is, because that's how much it's gone up so far this year. And I still think it's got room to grow because it's becoming mainstream, but Bitcoin is not mainstream yet. So once it really hits mainstream, like the sky is the limit. When I first started buying in a couple years ago, maybe 2014 ish, when it was around $100 a coin, I said, well, Bitcoin is easily going to get to $1,000 to $2,000, and that's kind of what I saw Bitcoin getting to. Fast forward to 2017, is much higher now, and the sky's the limit. It could hit 10K. I don't know. It depends how many people start buying into it. So I kind of just want to break down Bitcoin a little bit further. You have so essentially there are, well, all right, so why is Bitcoin kind of popular? Why is the price so high, essentially? So the price is high because Bitcoin, if you want to think of Bitcoin as a commodity, it's something that is rare. There's not a whole lot of Bitcoins like that. So if something's rare, it's a commodity, and if that a commodity is finite, then which means there's not an unlimited supply of it. Essentially, like US dollars are not really going to go up. Any currency is not really going to go up because essentially it's unlimited. Essentially, the Federal Reserve and central banks, they keep printing out money. So essentially, it's worthless. I could get into the history of money as far as why it used to be backed by gold and no longer backed by gold, which is why it's really monopoly money, essentially, if you want to look at it that way. But Bitcoin, and if you want me to do videos breaking down kind of histories and stuff, just hit me up in the comments, and I can definitely do that. But just to kind of stay on topic here, Bitcoin is rare. So there's 21 million Bitcoins out there. That's it. No more, no less. Is a finite supply of coins. So since there's a finite supply of coins, it goes back to economics 101, supply and demand. So it started off, I guess the demand for Bitcoin was low when it first came out because a lot of people didn't know about it. But now more and more people are finding out about it and getting into Bitcoin. Therefore, since it's finite, the price is going up essentially because the demand is increasing and that supply is limited. Bitcoin is mineable, so you'll see. So you can almost kind of compare Bitcoin to gold, like how gold is a rare commodity here on this planet, and people have to mine for it, and pretty much that work, that effort, that time is put into gold, and because it's rare, well, that's why the price of gold is high. And I'm not sure what it is now per gram, $1,000, $2,000, something around that. But essentially, Bitcoin passed gold, which mentally is a big deal, and because gold has been essentially just used since the beginning of the time almost, and used as a form of currency, and it's a rare commodity, and people, they always invest in gold and they see that as a safe investment, and Bitcoin passed that. So that's a big deal. I look at Bitcoin as, I mean, it's me personally, I think it's here to stay, especially if it's adopted by mainstream. And so it to me, it's a safe investment, and I think you should, like anybody, should be investing in Bitcoin for that reason. And so again, I'll kind of wrap up this video Again, because I want to keep it pretty short, because I know I'm a millennial. Most people out there are millennials, and we got short attention spans. So I just want to keep these videos short, straight to the point, and you guys can just go to the next videos, fast forward, whatever the case. So I just want to keep them all short. So all my videos will be short, except for the videos where I kind of break down how to do things like buying Bitcoin, stuff like that, because those are kind of more so guides. And so those videos are longer. I think they're like 20, 25 minutes long. So those videos are a bit longer. But the rest of these videos where I'm just talking about Bitcoin or just any kind of cryptocurrency in general, I'm just going to keep these short, straight to the point. You can fast forward, skip through videos, whatever the case, check them out. So I'll wrap up this video. Thanks for listening, guys. If you like what you hear, please, as always, subscribe to my channel, Crypto Mid. Thank you.